A line does not ask for permission. A line does not wait for approval. A line does not waste time worrying about the opinions of sheep. A line focuses on one thing, winning, and that is the mindset you must develop if you want to dominate your life in 2026. Look around. Most people are distracted. They spend hours scrolling, hours complaining, hours making excuses, hours making excuses. They talk about success, but they never take action. Meanwhile, online is different. Online moves with purpose. Online understands that every day matters, every hour matters, every decision matters. Because success is not an incident, success is a choice. And powerful people make that choice every single day. The line mindset begins with responsibility, no excuses, no blaming others. Now complaining about circumstances, a line takes ownership. When things go wrong, the line adapts. When obstacles appear, the line attacks. When life becomes difficult, the line grows stronger. That is the difference between average people and champions. Champions understand that adversity is not an enemy, it is a teacher. Every challenge teaches discipline, every setback teaches resilience, every failure teaches wisdom. Weak people see problems, strong people see opportunities. Which one are you? Because your answer determines your future. The truth is simple. You cannot live like everyone else and expect extraordinary results. If you want an extraordinary life, you must become extraordinary. That means waking up when others are sleeping, working when others are relaxing, learning when others are wasting time, improving when others are making excuses. The line mindset is built through discipline, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel unstoppable, others days you feel exhausted, but discipline remains. Discipline says, I will continue regardless of how I feel. That is power. Real power is controlling yourself, controlling your thoughts, controlling your habits, controlling your emotions. Anyone can act when they feel motivated. Very few can act when they don't. Those few become leaders. Those few becomes leaders. Those few become champions. Those few change their lives forever. In 2026, stop waiting for perfect conditions. There is no perfect moment. There is only no right now, this moment. The future you want is built by the actions you take today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Every line understands the value of time. Time is your greatest asset. Once it is gone, you can never get it back. That is why successful people protect their time, they protect their focus, they protect their energy. They do not allow distractions to control them because they understand a powerful truth. When where your attention goes, your life follows. Focus on growth, focus on discipline, focus on becoming stronger than you were yesterday, and little by little, your entire life begins to change. The line mindset also requires courage, not the absence of fear. The ability to move forward despite fear. Everyone feels fear, fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of judgment, but lines do not allow fear to control them. They move anyway, they act anyway, they fight anyway. Because courage creates opportunity and opportunity creates success. Too many people spend their lives waiting to feel ready, waiting for confidence, waiting for the perfect chance. Years pass, dreams fade, nothing changes. Do not become one of those people. Act no, start no, build no. The life you want is waiting on the other side of action. Remember this, a lion never compares itself to sheep. Stop comparing your journey to others. Your mission is not to be better than everyone else. Your mission is to become the best version of yourself. Every day, every week, every month, keep improving, keep learning, keep growing. The world rewards those who refuse to quit. There will be difficult days, day when progress feels slow, days when doubt enters your mind, days when nobody believes in you. Those are the days that matter most because those are the days that build mental toughness. Those are the days that separate winners from quitters. The line does not stop because the path is difficult. The line keeps moving, and eventually the line reaches the destination. Success belongs to those who endure, those who stay disciplined, those who remain focused, those who continue when everyone else gives up. 2026 can be your year, but only if you decide to think differently, to act differently, to live differently. Stop chasing comfort, start chasing growth. Stop seeking approval, start building confidence. Stop making excuses, start taking responsibility. The moment you develop the lion mindset, everything changes, your habits change, your confidence change, your results change, and eventually your entire life changes. So stand tall, stay focused, trust, trust yourself, and remember you were not born to live a small life. You were born to lead. You were born to grow. You were born to become powerful. Think like a lion, move like a lion, fight like a lion. And in 2026, Become unstoppable. The line mindset. No fear, no excuses, only greatness.